Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile waterproof tapes on the market, Flex Tape. Whether you're tackling home repairs or outdoor projects, this could be your go-to solution. Let's explore why. Flex Tape is renowned for its exceptional strength and durability. It's a thick, rubberized waterproof tape that can bond, seal, and repair almost anything. What sets Flex Tape apart is its ability to adhere to various surfaces and shapes, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. First off, Flex Tape is incredibly flexible. Its rubberized backing allows it to conform to irregular surfaces seamlessly. Whether you need to patch a leak in your plumbing, repair a torn RV roof, or even fix a pool liner underwater, Flex Tape claims to do it all. It's designed to work under extreme conditions, from scorching heat to freezing cold, without losing its effectiveness. Let's talk applications. Flex Tape can be applied hot or cold, wet or dry, and yes, even underwater. It forms a watertight seal instantly upon contact. Use it on gutters, PVC pipes, air ducts, and more. It's not just for emergency fixes but also for long-term repairs. Many users find it indispensable for sealing leaks in outdoor equipment, mobile homes, and even boats. For eco-conscious consumers, Flex Tape is UV-resistant, VOC-free, and environmentally friendly. It's designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring your repairs hold up over time. While Flex Tape excels in certain areas, like underwater applications, it's worth considering other options like traditional adhesives or patches for different needs. If you're looking for a tape that offers similar durability but with different application strengths, there are alternatives to explore. In conclusion, Flex Tape lives up to its reputation as a robust waterproofing solution. Its versatility and ease of use make it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Remember, always assess your specific repair needs before choosing the right product. Flex Tape might just be the fix you're looking for. If you've used Flex Tape before, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and DIY tips.